Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Shayna Renee. If you are new here, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and of course, as you guys can see, it is going to be a Chanel unboxing, one of my favorites. I'm very excited about this one. So if you haven't already, like I said before, be sure to like this video now and subscribe to my channel because the videos are lit. And it's been a while since I did an unboxing video, and I just had to bring this one in particular to my channel. This one is special. It's Chanel, so once it's Chanel, it's always special. So if you guys been following up on my channel for the past couple months, you will know back in September I recorded my first Chanel unboxing when I got my first ever Chanel bag, and I think I have a Chanel addiction now, guys. I think I just might be addicted to Chanel. Yeah, I don't know. But anyway, I recently just got these two bags and I just had to bring it to my channel. I'm really excited. These are two super cute spring bags that I got. My first Chanel bag that I got was a classic black mini flat bag, and I said to myself I had to get a black bag first, so any bag after that is just gonna be whatever I want because I got my black bag first. So I'm gonna stop talking because I know you guys just want to see what's in the bags, which I totally understand. So we're gonna get straight into this video, okay? So all right guys, so I think I'm gonna start with the smaller bag first. Actually, both bags are actually mini bags, so I don't know why they put one in this super big bag, but I'm gonna start with this one first. I got this bag first and I got this one second. If you guys want to see the process of me buying the bags briefly, check out my vlog. So of course it's in a super cute packaging. Ooh. So like I told you guys, these two bags that I'm going to show you guys are spring bags. So yeah, it's going to be my spring summer vibe from Chanel. So I did not plan on buying any Chanel bags. I literally just went in the store the day I got this one, and it was just like an impulsive buy. Like I saw it and I've been eyeing this bag for a while. Not this color, but this style, because I just thought it was super cute. So I'm like, you know what, I think I'm due for a new Chanel bag. I only had one at the time when I bought this. I'm like, you know, we need a new Chanel. So this is the bag that I got, but before I show you guys the bag, of course each bag comes with the Chanel dust bag. Perfect for traveling. If you guys are going anywhere, this is a must because you don't want to get any scratches or anything like that in your bag while they are in your luggage or whatever. But this is my new Chanel mini bag. It's considered a flat bag, obviously, because it has, let me put this to the side, this flap at the front. So it is like a tealish blue kind of color, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna just bring it closer for you guys so you guys can see the detail. It has gold hardware, which is something that I really wanted for my next Chanel bag because my first Chanel bag is black with silver hardware. So I'm like, you know what, I think I'm ready to have a bag with gold hardware. So it opens right here in the front, and it has two pockets, one right here and one in the back. And of course it comes with a chain, which is so cute. This is like a really cute casual bag that could also be dressed up. So this is what I like about the bag. It's very functional. I have the handle at the top, so if I want to do like a cute dinner, I hold it like this, and if I wanted to dress it down, I could also wear it on the longer chain, which you can see it has the nice gold hardware attached to the bag. So when I saw this bag, like, it was literally in the window of the Chanel boutique here in Atlanta at the Saks, and I'm like, oh my god, I really love this bag. Like, I don't have anything this color, and I just really love the pop of color that it gives. It's gonna be super cute in the spring for my spring looks, and it's just really cute. I'm gonna try to insert a clip with me trying on the bag so you guys can see how it looks, and I'll probably put it on the side of the screen. But guys, this bag, like I said, it's so functional because of the handle here. So I just really love the top handle vibe. And then of course, like I said, the chain. So like I told you about the inside, it has the 2 openings right here. So one in the front and one in the back. I'll take this out so you guys can see. This bag actually can hold a lot. Like I have my phone right here. I don't really have anything else, but my phone fits in here comfortably, and it's still so much space. I know I can get my card case in there, my lip gloss, a bunch of stuff. So this bag actually has room. And of course, the bag of course comes with the Chanel authentication card. Oh my god, so cute. So the inside of the bag actually has these Chanel detailings. I don't know if you guys can see, like the buttons are like detailed with the CC. Super, super cute. This bag was so cute, and it's actually one of the more reasonable price Chanel's. Obviously Chanel is very expensive, but it's more on the reasonable price side of Chanel. So really love this bag. So this is the first bag that I got, and then of course a few days later I went back to Chanel when I went to New York, and I just saw this bag that I'm about to show you guys. So let me actually put the chain back on the inside. Guys, Chanel, like now I see, I don't know if you guys ever saw that like post on social media where somebody's holding up a sign and it says need money for Chanel. That's gonna be me, because I'm telling you guys, I'm so like, I'm loving their bags, like especially their new spring season collection. Like it's just super cute. So I'm gonna clean this up in a few, but let's get into this next bag. I have not opened this bag since I got it. Like I bought it when I was in New York, took it on the plane with me to Atlanta, and it's just been sitting in the bag until this unboxing. So this is gonna be like a real unboxing. This one was actually, you know, I took a peek at it here and there, but this one, oh my god, I haven't seen it. I haven't seen this one since I was in the store. And a little backstory about this bag: when I went to buy this bag was one of the other bags that I was kind of deciding between. Like it was between this bag or that bag, and I picked this one first, but obviously your girl just had to have both, because when I went to New York, this was literally the last one left in this style, and I'm like, you know what, let me just get it. Yeah, like I think I should get it. So I'm gonna open it for you guys here on YouTube for the first time. And I'm gonna put this to the side because I'm gonna try to make a reels and open this, you know, like put it back together for my reels. But oh my god, I'm so excited. Like this bag is so cute. I'm trying to be really gentle with the tissue paper because, you know, you gotta be really delicate with these things. Like they cost so much money, you just don't want to ruin anything, you know. So okay, so now that this is open, okay, so this bag is already wrapped in the dust bag. Oh my god, like I'm just peeking through it. Like this bag is really like my favorite out of the two, but I of course love that one as well. So this bag, she actually gave me the cleaner for it because you guys will see why I need it in a second. So let me get into this bag. Oh, she knotted it. Okay, let's get into this bag. Oh, sorry. Like I told you guys, I haven't seen this bag since I got it in the store. And here she is. Drum roll, please. Isn't she gorgeous? Like, come on. This bag, oh my god, I wanted a mini Coco handle bag for so long. And when I saw this one, I was like, girl, you do not need another white bag. But it was the handle for me, okay? It was the handle for me. Like, I want my camera to focus. Yes. So when I bought my first Chanel bag, I was like, all right, I started doing more research about the bags, and I discovered the Coco handle. And every time I went into Chanel, they just never had it available. But this season, they came with this super funky bag, and I just love it. Like the handle is like, some of you might think that this is not practical because of the handle, but one thing for sure, I will take a Chanel scarf, a twilly, whatever you want to call it, and if I'm tired of seeing this, I will wrap it around and I'll be just fine. But what I do love about this bag, since it's white, I love the fact that they did this to the handle, just to make it, of course, way better to carry all the time, so I don't have to worry about my handle getting dirty. So guys, this is the bag. It is so cute. There's 2 tags on this bag, but anyway, it comes with a chain, also has gold hardware, and of course I'm going to insert a clip with me trying it on. But yes, this is the Coco handle mini. So cute. Oh my god, I can't, like, I'm just so happy that you're finally mine. Like, you don't even know how bad I wanted you. Okay, so it is in a white color, obviously, and this is the inside. So this inside is pretty, you know, I love mini bags, so I don't really complain too much when it comes to the sizing of the bags, because when I go out, like, I don't really carry too much anyway, and I just don't like big bags. Big bags are not really my style. This is the inside of the bag. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. The bag is pink. Like, inside is pink. That is so cute. So of course this bag also comes with the authentication card, of course. Sorry, let me close that back. So this bag also has the 2 separate compartments on the inside, and let me see if my phone fits. So my phone fits, but it's just a little bit tighter compared to this bag, but it fits, so that's all that matters. And oh my god, guys, this bag is gorgeous. Of course, it has a chain. The chain could actually be removed because it has these hooks. So for a night out, just hold it by the handles, or to dress it down, of course, wear it on the chain. Oh my god, I finally have my Coco handle. So yes, guys, these are my 2 bags, and I'm super excited to start giving looks with my 2 new bags. And as you can see, like I said, they are both mini bags. I love a mini bag. I don't know about you guys, I could never go wrong with a small bag. I just feel like big bags just don't really compliment me. I have a very small frame. I'm 5'1", 117 pounds. Where am I going with a big bag? But big bags, little bags are just so chic. They give looks, like they're just very clean. You don't have to do too much. I love it. So yeah, the bag also has, like, this is one thing I love about it too, like it has these gold nubs at the bottom of the bag, so when I place it down, I don't have to worry about my bag like actually touching the surface. So very detailed. Of course, it has the pocket on the back. Does this bag have that? No, this bag actually doesn't have a pocket on the back, but this one does. Like if you want to put like your credit card or something in there. I personally don't put anything in those back pockets because I just don't want it to get stretched out. But I'm just so happy about my new bags. I hope you guys like my purchases, and you know, that's about it. This is basically all for my unboxing. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and if you guys like luxury unboxings, be sure to subscribe. So thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.